While designing any HTML web page, image editing is a must. We have to do small editing in any image to suit our requirement. In general practice, we will download a lot of images from the browser and we will do some small editing. For that small edit, Photoshop is not required. Instead of that, we can use Microsoft PowerPoint and Paint to do small correction, and we can manipulate the entire image for its resolution, aspect ratio, or merging and transparent mode. Like that, we can do it with the PowerPoint and Paint. For simple edit of image, we can use Microsoft PowerPoint instead of Photoshop. Here to insert the image, you have to go to the insert menu, then picture, then you can select your image has to be inserted. Now the image is loaded here. Just double click that image, all our image format menus are loaded here. Here you can see what is your image width. It is a 15.88 centimeter and your image height will be 14.29 centimeters. And another way we can just right click it, then make it a size and position. Here you can see that the original size is 15.09 centimeter and 16.76 centimeter. And what is the scale factor? It is compressed. You can see that height is reduced to 95%. That is, it is reduced from 15.09 centimeter to 14.29 centimeter. This is a 95%, and width also 95%. To scale down that your image, you have to use this scale parameter. And before scale down, you have to check the checkbox of lock aspect ratio checkbox and relative to original picture size. And just you can reduce your height percentage or width percentage, you can see automatically the image will come down. Otherwise, straight away, suppose you are decided you want to make it is a 9 centimeter, then you will type it 9, enter, automatically the image size will be reduced to 9 centimeter width. And another tool is the crop tool. This crop tool, if you select, then you can reduce your image size also according to your convenient. So now your image is cropped. Now you can see the width is come to 6.44 centimeter. Suppose you want to 6, then here itself you can reduce it to 6 centimeter. We can also adjust the brightness and contrast of the image by the commands available in the PowerPoint. Suppose you click the brightness, in normal position it will be in the 0% till there. You can increase to 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. You can see that image brightness is increasing. Same way you can reduce your image brightness. Okay, in whatever the settings the image seems to be better, then you can select that brightness. Same way you can increase the contrast or decrease the contrast also. In normal it is a 0 position. You can increase your contrast. Same way you can decrease your contrast also in that image. And another command is change picture. Change picture means you can replace another image to the same size in place of our original pictures. And to reset the image to its original shape, then just you click that reset image, automatically see that the image is gone to its original size, and whatever change, crop, resizing, color, everything, it will be go to the normal original size. In the PowerPoint, we can add any border or any effect on the picture. Here, suppose before adding any border, you have to select your convenient color, then you have to select your border size. So here I am selecting 3 point. Now we can see around the image one yellow border is formed. Then after selecting that image, you can select any shape. Now I am selecting one shape. Here see this both corner will be trimmed. Same way I am selecting this shape, then top two corner will be trimmed. Same way I am selecting oval, then your image is formed inside the oval. Like that we can make it any shapes and your image will be trimmed according to your shape, and border also formed around that shape. Same way you can add any effect over that image also. Here we can add any shadow. Now I am adding one shadow. You can see one shadow is formed backside. And also you can change that shadow color by shadow option. Then you can select your color option. Then that shadow of color also will be changed. Another effect is the reflection. Here reflection, we can reflect the image in the below. Here that image is 1/4 is reflected. So like that we can change the our reflection level up to our full depth. So now that image is totally reflected below the image. And another effect will be glow. In the glow, you can make it the image all around is a glow border. And another option is soft edges. Suppose it is a 1 point, then 2.5 point, 5 points, 10 points, 25 points, and 50 points. Like that, you can see that image outer edge will be formed to the soft edge. And you can add all the effects to the same image. Then now we can make it as a 3D rotation also. You can see that image is rotated and horizontal side and totally horizontal. Like that you can make your image to the any direction of rotations. Now you can save your picture as a save as picture. Then you can select your format, then save it. Now you can check the property of this original image. This property detail you see, it is saying a 1980 and by 1782 size, and it is a 300 dpi resolution, and that image file size will be 1.54 MB. Now right click that our edited image, then you can click the property. In the property you can select the detail. You can see that image size has to be reduced to 372 pixel by 944 pixels, and its resolution has reduced to 150 dpi. Same way that image overall image size is reduced to 29.1 KB. Like that we can reduce our image resolution and image size to any desired level in the PowerPoint. Here I have ordered one border from the external shapes, and that image and border is grouped. Now if you want to rotate that image, one green dots will be there. You can highlight that dots and you can going on rotate, that image will rotate according to your requirement. And another way of compressing that pictures, you can just right click the picture, then here you go to the compress picture. Here you select that option, it will give a three options. One is a print mode 220 ppi, and screen mode 150 ppi, and email mode 96 ppi. Whatever mode you want to, you just select that mode and just click OK, and select this apply to selected picture only, and click OK. Automatically it will change its resolution to the our selected mode. And another facility in the PowerPoint image edit, this image having some white background around that. Suppose you want to make it this is a transparent, then just double click it, then you select the recolor, then set transparent color command. One tool will come, then now you have to select which color you want to make it as a transparent. Here that white background color I want to make it a transparent, just touch that color. Now you see that the entire image is changed to the transparent mode. If you have an image with a different background, suppose you want to edit that background, in the Photoshop it is very easily you can make it that outline, and we can remove the background. But here it is very difficult. We can do it in the MS Paint. First you have to copy that image, then open the Paint software, then you can paste it that image. So just you have to zoom that image. By eraser we can do all this background can be erased. Before start the eraser, you have to change this number 2 color to any one of the convenient color. I am selecting yellow. Then you start the erasing. Here you can see the eraser will erase the background and applying the second color in the erased area. Once you used the eraser, then you change the first color also same yellow background, then use this pencil, then just do some touch up. After completing all touch up, then you have to make it some square to cover the maximum area of the image. Then just you fill it the yellow color in the all the area. Now you select that image within the yellow painting area, then you will copy it, then you have to paste it that image in the MS PowerPoint. Then now with the set transparent color command, you can select that yellow color, then that entire image will be made as a transparent. So like that we can make any image to the transparent mode with that MS PowerPoint and combination of paint. Then you can insert any background image in the PowerPoint. Then just move the edited image to the background area. Then now you see the image is going backside. Right click, then bring front. That image has to bring front. So automatically the image will come to the front. Then set it. Then you can adjust the image also. Then now you can see the image is perfectly set in the background image. Now you will make it in the two image as your own group. Then you have to make it a save as command to save this picture for future use. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel to grow and share more technical videos. Thank you once again, and bye.